So hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you about a very good project, and for that you can earn a lot of tokens, I mean TLC token. So let's get started and see what we have to do to earn all these things. So firstly you have to have some TWFI tokens like I am having right over there, TWFI token. So you have to have 0.1 TWFI token to do or to do certain tasks. So after getting TWFI token, so what the steps you have to follow, I'm gonna tell you. So firstly I will give all the links in the description, so you can simply go there. Firstly you have to submit some TWFI token. So I'm gonna copy this link and I'm just using Token Pocket. You can use other exchanges. So you have to have some TWFI token as well as HT token to come to pay the transaction fees. So after copying I will go to discover, then I will paste the link over here and I will proceed the search. Now after searching you will come over this type of platform or this type of web page. Okay, let's give the time for loading. Then after loading you will see this kind of interface. So the page or the this web page will be automatically connected with your wallet. So now come scroll down over here and search about TWFI token. It is the most mean to say it is at the bottom. So just click on it or click over here, let it be loaded. Now just scroll down and you have to deposit 0.1 TWFI token as I have told before. As you can see I have already deposited, but how you can deposit, just simply click on deposit button. You have to enter the amount, I mean just 0.1 TWFI token. You have to firstly deposit on your wallet, then you have to deposit on this website so that you can proceed the further task. After that just click on deposit button and pay the transaction fees and the token will be deposited. After the deposition of the tokens just simply go back, and now I'm gonna give you another link. Simply come to discover and I'm gonna copy another link where you have to do the task and earn the reward. Simply just paste the link over here and I will do search. After searching you will come to over this web page. Here you can see there are a lot of tasks which are going to pay you a very good amount. So like that, if I do the Telegram group, mean to say if I join the Telegram group, they will give me 1 USDT worth TLC token. If you are going to post the video like this video, then they are going to give you 10 USDT worth TLC token. As same as if you are going to share post a related this campaign, so they will give you 5 USDT worth TLC token. If you are going to follow them on Twitter, they are going to give you 1 USDT worth TLC token, and same other task also. So this is a very nice project you can do. Simply what you have to do, just simply join the Telegram. That I have already joined this group. Now just simply take the screenshot of this and simply come over here and submit the screenshot over this, mean to say by pressing on the plus icon, and you have to submit that screenshot and just simply submit. And you have to pay a very small amount of ST token fee as a fee, then you will be all set. They will submit your review, they will submit your task and they will review. After the passing of this task you will be rewarded, as I have been rewarded 1.81 TLC token. So this is the task, and directly you can claim this TLC token at your main wallet, and just boom, it's a very good project. If you want it, so you can do it. All the links will be given down in the description.